Brown rice versus white rice, the shocking truth for weight loss. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, brown rice versus white rice. Which one is better for weight loss? Let's find out. We've all been there, standing in the grocery aisle, staring at the endless options, trying to make the healthiest choice. And when it comes to rice, it can get confusing. Brown rice seems like the obvious healthier choice, right? But is it really better for shedding those extra pounds? In this video, we're going to break down the science behind brown rice and white rice, comparing their nutritional value, their impact on blood sugar, and how they can affect your weight loss journey. We'll separate the facts from the myths, so you can make informed decisions about your diet. Let's get started. Nutritional differences. Unveiling the hidden secrets. All right, let's break down the nutritional content of these two contenders. On the surface, brown rice and white rice might seem similar, but there are some key differences. White rice is essentially brown rice that's been stripped of its bran and germ, which contain most of the nutrients. Think of it like this: brown rice is like the whole fruit, while white rice is like just eating the inside. Brown rice takes the trophy when it comes to vitamins and minerals. It's packed with B vitamins like thiamine, niacin and B6, which are essential for energy production and a healthy metabolism. And don't forget about the minerals. Brown rice boasts higher amounts of magnesium, phosphorus and manganese, all crucial for bone health, muscle function and overall well-being. White rice, on the other hand, is often enriched, meaning some nutrients are added back in after processing. However, it still falls short compared to its whole grain counterpart. Now you might be thinking, but what about calories? Interestingly, the calorie difference between brown and white rice isn't as significant as you might think. So, in the battle of nutrients, brown rice emerges as the clear winner. Blood sugar roller coaster: how brown and white rice affect your levels. Let's talk about blood sugar, a crucial factor in weight management. When you eat carbohydrates, your body breaks them down into sugar, which enters your bloodstream. White rice, with its lower fiber content, gets digested quickly, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This can leave you feeling energized for a short while, followed by a dreaded sugar crash. These blood sugar spikes can also lead to increased insulin production, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. Over time, consistently high insulin levels can make your body less sensitive to its effects, potentially leading to insulin resistance and weight gain. Brown rice, thanks to its higher fiber content, acts like a slow-release carbohydrate. It gets digested gradually, resulting in a slower and more sustained rise in blood sugar. This means you'll experience more stable energy levels throughout the day and avoid those energy crashes associated with white rice. Plus, the slower digestion helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be beneficial for weight management. So, when it comes to blood sugar control, brown rice is the clear winner, promoting stable energy levels and potentially aiding in weight loss. Chapter 3: Fiber Face-Off, the secret weapon for weight loss. Let's talk about fiber, a superhero nutrient when it comes to weight loss. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body can't digest. Don't let that fool you, though. Even though it doesn't provide calories, fiber plays a crucial role in keeping you feeling full and satisfied after a meal. Brown rice is a fiber rock star. That outer bran layer we talked about earlier is packed with fiber, which adds bulk to your diet and slows down digestion. This means you'll feel fuller for longer after eating brown rice, reducing the temptation to snack between meals. And we all know that managing those cravings can be a game changer when you're trying to lose weight. White rice, on the other hand, has had its fiber stripped away during processing. It digests quickly, leaving you feeling less satisfied and more likely to reach for another snack sooner rather than later. Fiber also plays a role in regulating bowel movements and promoting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut is linked to better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and even a stronger immune system. So, in the fiber face-off, brown rice emerges victorious, helping you feel fuller for longer, supporting healthy digestion, and potentially aiding in your weight loss journey. Chapter 4: Health Perks and Potential Pitfalls. Weighing the pros and cons. Now let's talk about the potential health benefits and drawbacks of each type of rice. Brown rice is a good source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants have been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. However, there's a flip side to consider. Brown rice contains phytic acid, an anti-nutrient that can interfere with the absorption of certain minerals like iron and zinc. Don't worry though. You can easily reduce the phytic acid content in brown rice by soaking it overnight before cooking. This simple step makes the nutrients more readily available for your body to absorb. Now let's address the elephant in the room: arsenic. Arsenic is a naturally occurring element found in soil and water, and rice tends to absorb it more readily than other crops. Here's the thing. Both brown and white rice contain arsenic, but brown rice tends to have higher levels because arsenic accumulates in the bran layer. While this might sound alarming, the good news is that simply rinsing your rice thoroughly before cooking can significantly reduce arsenic levels. The FDA also recommends cooking rice in a larger volume of water and draining the excess after cooking to further minimize arsenic content. So both brown and white rice have their pros and cons. Brown rice offers more nutrients and antioxidants, but contains phytic acid and may have higher arsenic levels. White rice has lower arsenic levels, but is less nutrient dense. Chapter 5. The verdict: which rice reigns supreme for weight loss. So after weighing the evidence, which rice comes out on top for weight loss? Drumroll please, it's brown rice. Brown rice's higher fiber content, slower impact on blood sugar, and nutrient density make it a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. It helps you feel fuller for longer, stabilizes energy levels, and provides a wider array of vitamins and minerals. But that doesn't mean white rice is the enemy. It can still be part of a healthy diet, especially if you choose enriched varieties and practice moderation. Here's the bottom line. Listen to your body. Be mindful of your portions and choose the type of rice that best fits your individual needs and preferences. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to nutrition. The key is to focus on a balanced diet that includes a variety of whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And don't forget about regular exercise. Combining a healthy diet with regular physical activity is the ultimate recipe for sustainable weight loss and overall well-being. Brown rice versus white rice. The shocking truth revealed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you next time. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your health. By understanding the nutritional differences between brown rice and white rice, you can make informed choices that support your weight loss goals and overall well-being. Stay tuned for more evidence-based health information and keep up the great work on your journey to a healthier, happier you.